Hey y'all, today we're going to be opening up my newest Nordstrom Trunk Club. It's a decent sized box this month and I got a few different things that I normally do not get in my trunk clubs. So if you have been watching my trunks for a while now, these unboxing and try on videos that I've been doing, I think you'll really enjoy this box because I got like underwear, I got sneakers, I got some fun different things to show you. If you haven't tried Trunk Club and you want to, remember I'm going to leave my sign up link in the description beneath this video. You get $50 off your first box. You basically get something for free. You could get several pairs of underwear for free. So without further ado, I don't want to ramble. I'm going to show you what they sent me. I'm going to try everything on and share my opinions with you. I definitely know I'm going to at least keep a few things. So let's open her up. Okay, if you're new here, I'll show you what your trunk will look like when you open it. They really do a great job of packaging up everything really nicely. Also, if it looks like I'm like glistening, I probably am because it is hot here in South Mississippi, y'all, let me tell you. Okay, let's just jump right in and see what they sent. Okay, she sent this and I can tell you already, not a fan. I honestly don't really even want to open this up. It's just a graphic t-shirt and it has like these cheetah lips on it. I don't know, it's 40 bucks. I'll just pop up a picture of it right here on the screen because this is just not something I need for $40 in my wardrobe, a graphic tee. I'm a thrifter, y'all know this, so I'm just gonna set that to the side. She did send me a pair of denim, and y'all know I absolutely love denim. I'm always in the market for denim. So let's see what these look like. All right, so this is by the brand Blank NYC. And these are called the Ribcage Straight Leg. I will tell y'all, I'm so nervous to try these because I love my skinny jeans. And I just don't know if I'm gonna like a straight leg. I think they're really cute. I like the distressing. I think the inseam is gonna work for me. Oh, but I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of nervous to try on a straight leg. I don't know if it's gonna be very flattering, but we'll see in the try on. Okay, so these jeans are way too tight on me. Like I can barely fit them over here. There's a ton of gapping. They look really bad. I don't care for these. They're a little too long. I think these are supposed to be cropped. Yeah, not a fan. So these are, obviously I can't even button them up. These are obviously a no. Okay, I think this is a top. So this is Aster, the label, and this is definitely my style. It's just like a black, I love the sleeve detail. Yeah, it's just like a cute little black. It looks like it's cropped. And it has a lot of this smocking stretch in the back, so I think I'm really gonna like this. So I do like this shirt, but I'm having this issue where it's like, I don't know how I would wear a bra with it because these things are so close to my shoulder. I just don't know. I do think this is really figure flattering, and obviously I absolutely love the sleeves, but this part right here, I just don't know how I'm going to get away with wearing a bra. I feel like I would constantly be doing like this kind of number. Okay, she did send me some Skims and she actually sent me a bra, but I was really just looking for underwear, and I can tell you this is really small. Honestly, I'm not gonna take it out the package. It is an itty bitty little like triangle bra. So I'll pop up the picture of what it looks like, but this is just going to be way too small. So I'm going to leave that in the package. Okay, right off the bat, I can tell you this feels very warm, and where I live here in South Mississippi, you probably can tell I'm really flushed right now. It is so hot. We have been getting a heat warning. This is really cute. It's just, this is going to make me sweat just thinking about putting this on. It's just like a white, it kind of has like this like lace front, and yeah, just like a fleece long sleeve. I think it's really cute. Oh, I'm not looking forward to trying this on in front of the ring light. This is making me hot, just look at it. Okay, so here's this top. It is super, super soft, and it is cropped. It's just really too hot right now, I feel like, for me to be buying this top. And where I live anyway, it really doesn't get that cold. So I think this top may be a no, but it is super cute. I don't know, what do you think? Should I keep it for the 2 weeks it gets cold here? Oh, look, okay, so these are the Skims underwear. And I'm gonna open these because I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna get it because it's underwear. I'm really interested to see how they feel. Okay, let's see. I did request a medium. She was gonna send me an extra small. And I don't know about y'all, but I like my underwear a little bit bigger on me. I don't know. Is that weird? Okay, here's how they look. They're just like all mesh. And how much were these? I want to say these were like $24, something like that. But yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and keep these. Obviously, I'm not going to try these on, you know, for the video. But yeah, I think these are nice, so I'm going to keep those. Here's some more denim. Okay, here are some Good American jeans. And I want to say, I think it was my last box, right? They sent me some Good American jeans. And I don't think, if I'm remembering correctly, I don't think I liked them. So these are just a pair of high-rise skinny jeans. Honestly, this inseam looks really long. Y'all know I have really short legs, and yeah, these maybe that was the issue with the last pair of Good American. Maybe they were too long. We'll try them on, but if they're too long, I'm not going to be interested. Let me know if y'all have ever tried Good American jeans and how you feel about them. Okay, so the Good American jeans, I will say they're really, really comfy. I feel like they have a lot of stretch, a lot of spandex. I do have a little bit of gapping, not a ton of gapping, but I do have some. The only issue I have is they're a little bit too long. They're not terribly long, but for $160, you kind of want to love the jeans, right? So I think I may pass on these. What do you think? I think that if you're a little taller and you're wanting to splurge on some jeans, these would be the ones. Okay, here's my other pair of underwear that she sent, and then we'll get into the shoes because I did get a couple pairs of shoes. Okay, and I think these, my stylist wrote that these are actually her favorite brand of underwear. They're called Hanky Panky. And like I said, if y'all use my code to sign up, you could get, you know, a few pairs of underwear for free. So make sure you add that to your trunk whenever they send it to you. That way, if you don't like anything, you at least have underwear, you know. Yeah, I like these. These look really stretchy. I don't know. I need to go. Whenever we read the note, we'll see how much this stuff was. I want to say this was like $20, something like that. Okay, first pair of shoes is by the Flex. And I don't really know anything about the Flex, so let's open these. Okay, so this is odd. They came with like this thing popped out. I don't know if that's how they're supposed to come. So I asked her for some nude sneakers. Y'all, these are so chunky. Oh my gosh. These kind of have like a shimmer, if you can see that in the camera. These are okay. These, I don't know if I'm a fan of this shimmer. How do y'all feel about that? I've never heard of this brand, the Flex. Have you guys heard of this before? Yeah, I know this platform style is like on trend. I don't know. We'll see how I feel about these. And the last thing I'm going to show y'all are these sneakers by Madewell. So these are definitely, I think, more of a nude style, and I like that they don't have all that shimmer to them. I do want to show y'all, there's like all these speckles right here. It kind of looks dirty to me. What do you guys think about that? How do you feel about that? I don't know if I'm a fan. But yeah, we're going to try these on. Let me tell you what the style is. These are called the Kickoff Trainer Sneakers by Madewell. So whenever you get your box, you're going to get this little piece of paper, and inside you're going to have 2 pieces of tape to tape your box back up. You're also going to have a shipping label to stick on your box to ship it back, and then a note from your stylist along with the prices. I've noticed my notes are not very personal, and yeah, they're pretty much, I'll show you it real quick. If you want to do a little screenshot, I'm not going to waste anyone's time. It's basically just saying thank you for your trunk. Okay, so let's go over prices, and y'all let me know how you feel about these prices. So the black Aster, the label top, that was $65. The Madewell sneakers, those were $98. The Skims thong were only $16. I thought those were more expensive, but no, it's just $16. The Skims bralette, which I'm not even going to try on because I can just tell in the packaging, like, is not happening. That was $34. That cheetah graphic tee with the lips on it, that was $39. I am not a fan of that. I'm not even going to try it on. The ruched ivory v-neck top was $34. I haven't done the try on portion of the video. I'm interested to see if I tried that thing on because I'm like sweating just thinking about it. Those high waist rib cage straight leg jeans, interested to see how those looked on me. $98. We'll see. Those hanky panky thongs, the black ones with the lace, $23. The Good American jeans are $150. That is a lot of money, and I think they're going to be too long on me. We shall see. Okay, and then the Flex sneakers with that shimmer to them are $160. I haven't tried them on yet, and maybe I'll change my mind when I try them on, but I think that shimmer, I don't know, I think it's going to get to me. I'm going to leave everything I tried on in this video in my description box. That way, whenever you get your trunk, if you liked anything in my box, you can request it from your stylist. If you haven't tried Trunk Club, it's a risk-free trial. Just sign up using my link and you get $50 off your first purchase. Y'all let me know what you thought of this box in the comments, and I will see y'all very soon for a Stitch Fix video. I told y'all I am done with Stitch Fix, and I am, but I had like $200 and something in credit from y'all still, and my Stitch Fix styling boxes were not working. I mean, I was going 2-3 boxes at a time without buying anything, so it was really a waste of my time and money. So I just did a flat out purchase, and I bought 3 pairs of jeans. I'm gonna try those on maybe this next week, sometime within 7 days. I will do a try on video and let y'all know, was I the better Stitch Fix stylist than those stylists? Because Stitch Fix was not the style box for me. I do have my short story box coming in the mail soon. That is for petite women 5'4" and under. So if you are 5'4" and under, definitely subscribe and check out that video. That video will be out soon as well, as soon as that box gets here. I appreciate everyone who watched all the way to the end, and I will see y'all very soon for a new video. Bye, y'all.